Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Mood. Today I am here with the continuation of practice paper, that is model paper, midterm model paper. In my previous video, we had completed till question number 28. Let us start with the question number 29. Here in question number 29, let us see a train travel a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So here I have solved this problem. Let us see. Let the original speed of the train be x. They have told us to find the speed, right? Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Distance they have given 480 kilometer. Okay. New speed. That means why new speed they have told if the speed is had been 8 kilometer less. So I have written here new speed when the 8 kilometer is less. They have told less, so we have taken minus here. If they would have told in the question if the 8 kilometer more, then we would have taken plus here. So I have written minus here. Okay. Now we need to find the time. That is original time. We know time is equals to distance upon speed. We know this formula. So time is equals to 480 is a distance upon original speed is x. Okay. Same with the new time. That is x minus 8 speed. So distance 480 only and the time is x minus 8. So according to the question, difference between two journey, it takes 3 hour more. Okay. So 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equals to 3. So let us solve this now. Cross multiply 4 into 8, 480 into 80x, 480x minus 480 into x minus 8 upon x into x minus 8, okay, is equals to 3 as it is. Now 480x as it is minus 480 into x, 480x minus minus plus 480 into 8 is 3840. I have multiplied this upon x into x, x square minus 8 into x into 8, 8x is equals to 3. 480, 480x got cancelled because 1 plus 1 minus. Now let us cross multiply x into minus 8x. I have multiplied to 3. 3 into x square minus 8x is equals to 3840. So let us multiply 3 into x, 3x square minus 3 8s are 24x. This 3840 I bought here minus 3840 is equals to 0. Now here we know that it will go in 3 tables. So divide this whole equation by 3. So 3 got cancelled, only x square. 3 8s are 24 minus 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains. 3 8s are 24. 0. So now we have to remove the factors of this. So 1 into factors what we get 1 2 8 0. See 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 0. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 0. 2 8s are 16. 0. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 2s are 4. 0 and 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now I have already solved here. We will see 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So 40 minus 30 is 8. 40 minus 32 is nothing but 8x. So bigger number minus 40 plus 32. So we have written x square plus 32x minus 40x minus 120 1280 equal to 0. Now these two we will remove the common in between these two. X I have taken common. What remains? X remains as it is plus 32 as it is. X I have taken common. Here we can see both minus is common. So minus I took common and 40 I took common. Why? 40 32s are 1280. So 40 also common. So when minus and 40 common, what remains? X remains. Minus I have already taken common. So minus becomes plus 40 32s are 1280. So here common bracket is x plus 32. What remains? X minus 40 remains is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus 32 if we take this side minus 32 and x is equals to minus 40 if we take that side plus 40. We all know that speed cannot be negative. Therefore, speed of the train is nothing but 40 km per hour. They have told us to find speed of the train. So we got 40 km per hour. So the next question is here. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the point of minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, so here they have given 2 points and a ratio. So I have written here given points are minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3, and ratio 2 is to 3. So they have told to find the coordinates of point, and we know the formula. When the ratio is given, coordinate of point formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Let us write here, this is x1 y1 x2 y2, and this is m1 m2. Let us substitute now. m1 is 2, x2 value is 4, plus as it is m2 3, x1 value is minus 1 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 3, comma as it is m1 2, y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 3, y1 value is 7 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 3. Okay. So next 4 2s are 8 plus minus minus 3 1s are 3, 2 plus 3 5, comma plus minus minus 2 3s are 6 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 2 plus 3 is 5 is equals to 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5, 5 by 5, comma 1 minus 1 plus means we have to do minus, 21 minus 6 is 15, bigger number sign, plus 15 by 5. So 5 5 get cancelled, 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 3s are. So the coordinate of point they have told to find, right? Coordinate of point is nothing but 1 comma 3. This is our answer. So next question, very important question this is. So let us see the question number 31. What they have told in question number 31, in a parallelogram ABCD, the point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 and Q divides AB in the ratio 4 is to 1. Prove that OA is equals to 2OC. Let us start proving here. I have drawn triangle ABCD. Sorry, parallelogram ABCD. We know that in parallelogram ABCD, when it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay. I have written everything. To prove what they have told, OA is equals OC is equals to half. No, it is what they have told. OA is equals to 2OC. By mistake, I have written a little bit wrong here. OA is equals to 2OC. Okay, this we have to prove. Now, let us see here. They have given in the question P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 and Q divides AB, Q divides DC in the ratio 4 is to 1. Let us consider these sides as x. I'll write 2x and 3x. Here also I'll write 4x and 1x. Okay. So let us write now. I have written here AP 2x, PB 3x, DQ 4x and QC 1x. Okay. Let us start solving. What OA is equals to 2OC. They have told here OA is equals to 2OC. Let us see where is OA. This is OA. Okay. And this is OC. That means we can get a relationship between these two triangles. Let us compare these two triangles. Let us take these two triangles. In triangle AOP and triangle COQ, I can see here AOP is equal to COQ. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Yes. We have a Z shape. Can we see a Z shape here? So angle C and angle A is equal. I can write angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Alternate angles. And we always know that Z shape where we get, that is alternate angles. Two angles we get equal, that means triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle AOP is similar to triangle COQ by AA similarity. Now, once the triangle is similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. I'll take AO upon OC is equals to which side is given? This side. Okay. AP upon QC. Okay. So let us start writing now. AO I'll keep as it is. OC also I'll keep as it is. AP value is 2x. QC value is 1x. Okay. X got cancelled. Then 1 into OA or OA into 1 is equals to 2 into OC. This only they have told to prove, right? So we got the answer. OA is equals to 2OC. I'll show you in question one more time. OA is equals to 2OC. So we got the answer in this way. Let us see the next question. Question number 32. Four angles of a parallelogram are in AP. Sum of one pair of opposite angles are 130. So now the question number 32 is four angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. Sum of one pair of opposite angles are 130 degree. Find all angles of a quadrilateral. So let us see the question solution here. So I have written here, let the four angles of a quadrilateral are or be a minus 3d, comma a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. These are in AP. Okay. So we all know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So I'll do sum in between these four angles, a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equals to 360 degree. Minus 3d plus 3d got cancelled, minus d plus d. So a plus a plus a plus a is 4a is equals to 360 degree. A is equals to 360 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 0 as it is. So a value is 90 degree. Let us see according to the question what they have told, a pair of opposite angle. A pair of opposite angles are what? For example, I will write here A1, A2, A3, A4. So we can see that A1 and A3 are opposite. I have written here, I have mentioned here A1 and A3. A1 is A minus 3D sum plus A3 is A plus D is equals to 130 given in the question. Sum of a pair of opposite angle is 130 degree. So A plus A 2A minus 3D plus D is minus 2D is equals to 130 degree because bigger number sign. So now A value we have 2 into A value is 90 degree minus 2 into D is equals to 130 degree. 2 nines are 18. 180 minus 2D is equals to 130 degree minus 2D is equals to 130 minus 180 degree. So D is equals to minus minus got cancelled. D is equals to 50 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are 50. So we got D value as 5. Let us start finding all four angles. First angle A minus 3D. A value is nothing but 90 minus 3 into D value is 25. So 90 minus 25 3s are 75. So 90 minus 75 if we do, we get 115 degree. First angle is 15 degree. Second angle A minus D, 90 minus 25. So 90 minus 25 is nothing but if we do minus 90 minus 25, 7 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 65 degree. So second angle we got as 65 degree. Third, A plus D, 90 plus 25 degree. 90 plus 25 degree, 90 plus 25, 5, 9, 10, 11, 115 degree. And the last one, 90 plus 3 into 75, that is 90 plus 75. 90 plus 75 is nothing but 90 plus 75. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 165 degree. So we got all four angles, that is first angle 15 degree, second angle 65 degree, third angle 115 degree and fourth angle is 165 degree. Let us see the question number 33. That is here, find the sum of 51 term of AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, I have solved here. Second and third term is 14 and 18. Find sum of 51 terms. Okay, A2 is nothing but A plus D is equals to 14, equation 1. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equals to 18, equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. So A plus D is equals to 14, A plus 2D is equals to 18. So I have changed the sign of second equation. Let us change the sign. This got eliminated. Plus minus minus 2D minus D is minus D is equals to plus minus minus 18 minus 14 is minus 4. Minus minus got cancelled. D is equals to 4. Put D is equals to 4 in equation 1. Any one equation we can put. I will put in equation 1. A plus D is equals to 14. A as it is. D value we got 4 is equals to 14. A is equals to 14 minus 4. A is equals to 14 minus 4 is 10. So A value we got 10. Now find S51 they have told now. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. S51 by 2, 2a value is 10 plus 51 minus 1, d value is 4. 51 by 2 as it is, 2 tens are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. So 51 by 2 as it is 20 plus 54s are 200. So 51 by 2 as it is 200 plus 20 is 220. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 0. So 51 into 110. So I have multiplied here, we got 5610. So the answer for sum of 51 terms is 5610. So here we have completed till question number 33. In my next video I am coming up from question number 34. Do like and share. Thank you.